What I'm going to show you right now is how to create an invoice in foreign currency. To do that, click on the plus sign at the upper right, click on invoice, and from the invoice form, it is important that you select the customer with the correct currency because the transaction will be dependent on the currency of the customer that you have selected. So for this example, we are just going to create or select the customer in euro. So as you select the customer in euro currency, you'll be able to see the foreign exchange rate auto-populate from the form. And this is actually captured from Wall Street On Demand. Or you can also key in your own foreign exchange rate. It depends on your business requirements. And after that, select the product and service for this invoice. Enter the description and then enter the amount in euro. And you'll be able to see the conversion coming up here as well. This is for Singapore accounts because it is a requirement in IRS to reflect the amount in home currency. All right, so once you have reviewed the transaction and everything is all good, just click on save, and that's about it.